Okay, so this is for chapter 20. We're going to start with the high-low method to figure out what our variable and our fixed costs are. So this is just, again, a way to separate our fixed and our mixed costs because we do need to separate those. So the highest bill was 2,600 and occurred in August with 1,400 machine hours, and the lowest bill was 23 when they had 900 machine hours. So what we're going to do is go ahead and take the highest. So it's going to be equals 2,600 minus the lowest, 2,300. And we're going to put that over the number of machine hours. So the high was 2,600 with a total of 1,400 machine hours. So the highest number corresponding with the lowest number. And then we're just going to take it as a fraction. So 0.6 or 60 cents per machine hour is our variable cost. Okay, so this is our variable cost. So what we want to do now is go ahead and take either the high or the low and plug that in. So if we have a total cost, let's take the high of 2,600, and we know that we had 1,400 machine hours, and our variable cost is 60 cents per machine hour. Our variable cost in this piece is $840. So then if we know what our variable cost is as part of our total cost, we can determine that our fixed cost is now $1,760. So variable, fixed, and total. So let's take a look at the contribution margin now. So we sell a product for $90 per unit. Variable costs are $60. So when you think about it, then our total cost is $90, variable cost is $60. So our contribution margin is $30. So for every unit that we sell, we have $30 to go towards our fixed costs. Once our fixed costs have been paid, then that goes to profit. So what we want to do is we want to figure out if our fixed costs are $800 per month, the company expects to sell 540 units in September. So let's go ahead and figure out what our contribution margin per unit is. We just did that at $30 and in total. So if we have a contribution margin per unit of $30 and we expect to sell 540, it's going to be a total of $16,200. And if you want to talk about it in terms of ratios, what you can do is if we have a total of $90 per unit and variable costs are 60, then our variable cost margin is 67%. So our contribution margin then is 33%. Okay, so 33% is our contribution margin ratio.